Silver last week traded extremely bullish, giving higher lows, higher highs, and went till towards 25.15 before closing the week at 25. Remember, it has achieved near-term highs, and now it is looking forward to further bullishness because it is given a breakout, and this zone is going to remain important. I will tell you the reason why and in detail once we look into candlestick charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy. So do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily market updates on silver along with the target. So do press the bell icon, and also you can be part of my Telegram group where you can get the live updates of the market. The link I mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's start. First, let me tell you what are these lines. Now look at silver on the weekly charts. Let me give you a long-term trend here. See, this is the pole there, the pole there, very good bullish momentum. Then silver has been trading in this bearish channel for last couple of years, and if you look at the highs which are well connected, this time it has breached past this channel and now looking upwards. Now see, it is giving a breakout. That is a very good indication for silver, because once it breaks past 26, it is going to achieve $30 levels in the near future. You have to be watchful and alert. I am warning you right now itself. If it breaks past 26, the next target 28 and the next target is $30 levels. Beyond that, in fact, we can see silver flying. That is first point. Next, why these two lines? Now if you look at the bottom of the movement here, you can find it is getting the support from the bottom of this channel, which is a bullish channel here, and this is a bullish movement. Now if you look at the highs of this channel are very nearby to 25.50 levels. For next week, you have to be cautious till 25.50 and 26. These are going to remain the highs of this channel. 26 is again a very strong resistance level too. You can see in the past, we have seen multiple candles getting reversed from 25.50, $26 levels. So yes, if it stays above 25.20, you can stay long for 25.50, 25.80 and $26 levels. And only if you see it trading above 26, you can further stay long for 28 and $30 levels. Now also remember, this is the fourth straight green candle, and if you look at the movement there, see, higher lows, higher highs, and precisely this, the highs of this channel, the near term movement is also at the same zone, 25.80, $26 levels. So beyond 25.20, yes, you can stay long for 25.50, 80 and 26. That is very clear. On the downside, remember one fact now. See, it has to break past this zone here, which is very far away at 24 and 23.50. Below that, yes, you can expect that we are going to look forward to a very sharp drop, and hence you have to wait till then. Do not consider this as bearish till the time it stays above 23.50 and $24 levels. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. Now if you look at the movement of the silver on the daily charts, you'll find, see, achieving the bottom here at this point. I told you it is reversing. One green candle step, second green candle consolidation, another green candle consolidation, green candle consolidation, then see, a smaller green, then consolidation green, and now again consolidation, which means this is, and look at this, it is giving you higher lows, higher highs. So whenever it tries to consolidate or retrace, it fails to break below this channel, which is very important to note, and which also gives these levels on the downside a very strong support. So for next week, you have to be watchful and cautious till 24.50 levels, which are going to be the bottom, while at the same time 25.50, $26 levels are the highs there. And remember, if you see these two candles, if you see it trading about 25.20, certainly stay long for 25.50, $26 levels there. So that is the second part to it, and beyond 26 anyways, sky is the limit on the upside. Now we have seen the daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly chart. Now on the monthly chart, similar is the observation there. See the pole there, see the flag there. Look at this bearish channel, and this time it has given a breakout. And remember one fact, that see this breakout, first of all, if you connect these four candles, 25.20 is the precisely high levels, highs of these four candles, and hence you have to wait for it to break past this zone, 25.20, 25.50. At the same time, remember, after a couple of strong red candles, this is the second consecutive candle in green. previous was a good bullish candle. This also started in a greener note. It can stretch the rally for a while in the month of April. Look at the previous candle, almost from 21 to 24. It has achieved, and yes, there is a wick of $1. Here also it has started from 24, so 26, 27 levels in the month of April cannot be denied there. Stay long. If it stays above 25.20, we are going to look at good bullish momentum in silver. It is breaking out. It can continue till here, or in fact till here. So this is first observation on the monthly charts. Also remember, silver is far below its all-time high levels, which is at $49. You can see these are the all-time high level, very far below these levels, and hence this breakout is very important. It can give you stretches of bullishness. Be watchful there. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. Are the indicators also speaking the same language, or they have something different to tell? Now if you look at indicators, see, first of all, look at the 20, 50 and 100 period moving averages. All have crossed over, all trading with divergence, all indicating bullishness there. This is a very good indication for silver for the near term. $23, $22.80 levels, very strong support. Next observation on the daily charts also you should look at, see, 24, 23.50, which was the consolidation zone. Now we're going to remain a very strong support zone for silver on the downside. Now second thing here is, it is trading at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands, and still when the next candle starts, next week starts, certainly I will be watchful. It can expand further and it can continue with the bullish momentum. See, the width is expanding and it is on the upside, indicating bullishness there. Now look at stochastic. That is only one worry point for me, because it is consistently trading overbought and it is trading at least slightly higher levels, which also indicate that there could be slight pullback and it can try to consolidate before trying to fly again. This is one observation, because see, this is consistently trading overbought. It does not mean that it cannot sustain these overbought levels, but yes, there is one point where it has to retrace, where it has to start retracing on the downside. However, it can stress the rally to a high such that the retracement on the downside will not take it to a lower levels, should not be $22.80, $22 levels. Now look at the daily charts on the MACD. See, the MACD is also trading with extreme divergence, and look, the beauty here is, at this point I told you several times, triple bottom is done, and see what beautifully it has achieved, a stronger bullish momentum there on the upside. In the last week analysis also, same observation I did share with you, and now also see, this is trading at a little higher levels, and hence we have to be watchful there. A breakout can take it, stretch it further, but then a retracement is must. The RSI has also come to overbought levels on the daily charts, which also indicate that there could be slight retracement or consolidation, such that indicators may cool down a little. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts too, see, it is trading near to the top of the Bollinger Bands, trading way above the 20, 50, 100 period moving average, and the stochastic is trading overbought. It does not mean that it cannot sustain these levels, but then sooner or later there should be slighter retracement. The MACD on the other hand has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards, and this time it is giving a sharper look, and it can continue with this on the weekly charts. The RSI is also looking upwards, indicating bullishness, and if you look at the monthly chart, the top of the Bollinger Band situated at around 27, and also the super trend resistance at 28. These levels are certainly very good resistance, and it is right now aiming towards achieving these levels. Also the support levels are far below at 22. And if you look at the stochastic, see, after retracing a bit on the downside, it is again looking upwards. It is again trying to get into overbought zone. Look at MACD. This is crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is looking bullish. This is trying to look upwards. It can sustain with this bullishness for a little while. RSI is also trying to look upwards and show the little strength. So we have seen now the charts. We have seen the indicators. We know that it is slightly overbought on the daily and weekly charts. On the monthly charts, yes, couple of indicators are still giving it a room. Also on the candles, specifically on the candles, it is giving a bullish indication that the monthly candle in April may remain bullish if it stays above 25.20 levels. Certainly we can expect 25 58 is 26, and then 27, in fact 28 also can be seen. So now let me summarize the same thing and give you the trading levels so that you can trade profitably next week. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, certainly you can benefit. Now, next week, as I said, yes, you can buy here at 25.10. Expect 25.20. If 25.20 is taken, stay long for 25.50 levels. And then beyond that we may see 25.80. Now 25.80, 26, very stronger resistance exists here. You have to be extremely cautious and watchful in this zone, firstly at 25.20 and then specifically 25.50. See, all of these are very strong resistance level. However, beyond this it can try to achieve this. However, once we know that the strong bullish confirmation is only about 25.80-26 zone, you have to ensure that you are trading with the trailing stop loss and keep booking profits first of all at these milestones. Keep re-entering if you see it trading in the same direction. Likewise, on the other hand, if you see it trading below 24.75, you can sell there and then expect 24.50, 24.20 and then 24.20. See, 24.20 and 23.80, very strong support exists at 23.50, 23.80 zone. In fact, till 24 there is a very good support for silver here. You have to wait for it to break past 23.50, then you can expect 23, 22.80 and then 22 levels. I don't think so that it is going to break till there, but these are markets beyond you and me. I have to just give you the support and resistance level. Remember, support and resistance means that once the one level is breached, certainly it is going to march towards the next level, and once it gives a stronger bullish or bearish breakout, certainly it is going to fly high or low. So for on the upside 25.80, 26 it needs to breach, certainly beyond the 27.28 and then 30 are the targets. On the downside below 23.50 it can show you further bearishness. So take accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.